In this video, I will guide you how you can activate MetroPCS eSIM. So make sure that you have purchased your MetroPCS eSIM via their website and you have received the QR code. Now once you have received the QR code, you can now head over to your settings and then you can simply go for the mobile on the top or cellular, and then you need to simply click on this add eSIM. Once you are on this page, you need to simply click on this use QR code, and then you need to make sure to scan the QR code that you have received from the Metro. Once you have scanned the QR code, you need to simply activate your eSIM. So simply click on the continue, and then this is going to take few minutes, so make sure to do not close this. And now it's time to add your cellular plan labels after activating your eSIM. So simply click on the secondary and then you can add these names, or you can add your own custom label. Then click on continue on the bottom. For the default line, make sure primary is selected and then click on continue. As for the iMessages and FaceTime, make sure to select primary again and tap on continue. At the end, you need to make sure to select secondary for the cellular data and make sure that allow cellular data switching is toggle off. Then tap done on the bottom and you have successfully added your new eSIM. Now you can tap on cellular data on the top and make sure that data roaming on the bottom is toggle on. That's the way of how you can activate MetroPCS